If you want to build your booty, then this is definitely for you. The shoulders elevated hip thrust is an excellent movement for building glute strength and hypertrophy, but you have to know how to do it properly. In this video, I'm going to take you through everything you need to know about the hip thrust.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
This is an absolutely brilliant exercise for anybody that wants to build a booty or just for athletic strength development. Strong glutes are a must-have for any sport that involves basically anything on your feet. And if you get this right, you're going to not only build a really good booty, but you're going to build some strength that will carry over to any sporting activity that you want to do. This is also a really safe way to build up the glutes and posterior chain strength if you're recovering from injury, because it puts such a little demand on the back. If you like our content and want expert coaching, I'd love to invite you inside our free Facebook coaching community, where the whole Unity team and myself hang out, go live, and drop feedback to keep you progressing. Just search UMS Movement Mastermind in Facey, hit join, and I'll even give you access to my incredible 20-minute flexibility routine as a welcome gift.
Shoulders elevated hip thrust. Before starting this workout, it is important to choose whether you want to build athletic performance or calisthenics strength. These athletic development workouts are designed to strengthen the glutes, which are an essential part of strength used for almost all sports. We use this movement in phase 1 of the UMS as it is a safe way to add weight to posterior chain strength. Unlike the deadlift, there is very little pressure on the lower back during a hip thrust. The shoulder elevated hip thrust will be used a lot throughout your training and is an excellent way to prepare for more advanced glute exercises in later phases of the UMS. To set up, have a box or a bench that when sitting on the ground is roughly the height of your shoulder blades. We recommend using a yoga mat if you are using a box to protect your shoulders. We also recommend using a hip thrust pad, as the pressure on your body from the barbell will be unbearable when lifting heavy weights. And this is a powerful movement that you will soon be able to lift a lot of weight. If you don't have a hip thrust pad, you can use a yoga mat by folding it over several times. Once in position, you should bring your feet close to you with hands on the bar. Push through the heels and ensure that you press your hips into a posterior pelvic tilt at the top of the movement. You should squeeze your glutes as hard as possible at the top end range to ensure you have a good posterior pelvic tilt. Once set up, the cue to think of whilst doing the movement are: push through the heels, keep the knees out, be intentional with end ranges.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. If we haven't met, my name is Rad Burmeister. I'm one of the co-founders of Unity Gym and the Unified Movement System, or UMS. Right now, you're here watching our free content on YouTube. And since you've already come this far, I can tell you're serious about getting strong, flexible, and fit. But if you're ready to level up, our free Facebook coaching group is exactly what's going to help you do just that. Not only can you ask questions and post videos for feedback from us, I'll also give you one of my most popular and effective programs, the 20-minute flexibility routine, as a gift for joining our tribe. See, despite our combined 50 years of training at an elite level, despite how much quality content we give away on YouTube, at some point, your progression will come to a grinding halt due to limiting factors that are unique to you alone. Honestly, it's not your fault. You haven't done anything wrong. But our tribe is a testament that having an expert look at what you're doing and help you to break through plateaus is simply game-changing. So whether you want to get more flexible, stronger, fitter, or learn some awesome calisthenics moves, or even just perfect your squat technique, we can help you get there faster and safer. Oh, and before you go, if you haven't already, smash those like buttons and subscribe buttons. It goes a really long way to supporting our channel and helps us keep putting out the content we do. And if you prefer to listen, search any podcast platform for Sound of Movement to listen to our amazing interviews with coaches and experts in their field. Well, that's it. I'm looking forward to meeting you in the UMS Movement Mastermind Facebook group. See you soon.